Assalamu alaikum, this is Ayman Arkan from Controversial, and today I'm going to be unboxing a very special product from Walton Digi-Tech Industries, and that is a smartwatch. Walton just introduced its first ever smartwatch, which is called Tick. So I have the WSWE variant of the smartwatch, and this just got released 2 months ago. I've purchased it from Walton E Plaza in Azimpur. So it comes with a really nice classy box, as you can see, and it has got some specification written at the back of it. It is clearly written at the back of the product that it is a product of Walton, so I'm really proud about it, and I'm really excited with this product, and I can't wait to open this and show you guys how it looks. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. A long classy box. You don't get to see these sort of boxes anymore. This is the product inside. So that's it. Let's take a closer look at it. The box comes with an extra nylon strap besides the pre-installed silicone strap, which can provide comfort while wearing the watch on workouts or running. This silicone strap is quite comfortable to wear and is sweat resistant. The box also contains a dock-style magnetic charger for the smartwatch that will automatically snap into place over the point located at the back of the watch. This attractively designed watch is one of the 4 models that Walton has unveiled in the market currently. Now let's go straight into the main attraction. Gently remove the sticker at the top of the screen and press and hold the power button at the side of the bezel in order to power it up. After powering it up, the logo of Walton's sub-brand Tick appears bright. Then the watch immediately seeks to pair with your phone by providing a QR code. Scanning the code will prompt you to download the Walton Tick app, which supplements its operation. This app has a very simple and user-friendly interface. Once you pair your phone with your smartwatch, you can access the recorded data anytime you want. To talk about its technical specification, the WSWE model that I'm holding at the moment has a 1.69-inch full touch screen with a 240 x 280 pixel resolution. The body of the watch is a combination of metal and plastic material, which makes it more durable. The useful features, to name a few, includes heart rate count, sleep monitoring, blood pressure monitor, blood oximeter, Bluetooth calling, female health reminder, and GPS-controlled real-time weather updater. One of the coolest features of this watch that I've found is this one. Watch what happens as I connect this watch to my phone via Bluetooth. And yep, you heard that right. This small watch actually has a loudspeaker on its own and can play music on the go. Awesome, isn't it? Now let's talk about the positive sides and the negative sides of the watch. First up, it is packed with a lot of features. The heart rate and the blood pressure monitor is quite accurate, 92 to 95% accurate to be exact. Lastly, there is finally a proper Bangla user interface with accurate spelling and translation. To go to the negative sides, the heart rate sensor constantly searches for your heart rate even if you're not wearing the watch for no good reasons. This drains the battery faster than usual. The screen is not smudge proof. Lastly, the bezel of the smartwatch could have been made a little bit thinner. Nonetheless, I'm still proud about it because it's made in Bangladesh. This brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos like this.